Okay, today's fun activity is chain cover. This was busted off and this one down here was busted off, and I'm guessing that the cover was damaged, and this is not the original cover. So when I bolt it up with the one remaining bolt, it doesn't line up right. So I might have to grind some off the cover down at the bottom there. And made these little guys to weld in. Snug that up. I should have set this in there. There, what we'll do is we'll loosen this guy. Get him set in there. That's the original hole for the bolt. So I got a little shoulder made. You can see how far off. And if I turn crooked, I drill a straight hole in that. Not saying that what I grinded here is square, but it's pretty square to the case. I'd have to touch it up a little, but if I take out of here, that's pretty tight. And get it to move forward a little bit. Tack them in there and drill them out, tap them. I might drill them out and tap them before. So I gotta use the center drilling lathe. I can do that and then bolt them in. I might end up having to cut that off. I'm gonna try grinding this first. So wait to see what works here on the next video.